Uspika kami Mekraya Legislative Assembly Thomas Esangma Matagasngi ka Pratik Noira Ajab Saw o Yatu Bari Opdiang Yakishiti Noiram ka TMC Dr. Mukul Sangma Bathosh Uban Itu Eu Kumunoiram Galing Persia Hadin Rayo Ajing Kristiano Emre Marway ka Kongres ba Ronnie Willindo ka TMC ka don sangut ke Emre Hangkat Emre Kongres ka Jingbun Pa Galing Persia Light No ka VVP kan long reungut hakaying do bar ka don repungut ke Emre Bat Klakot Yaka 10% kat kum ka an ban yo ban long no yam leng persya uspikar youtube ba yan nam takakam opposition chief whip kila tuai ka tang yung baroni umre memrawai ka kongres nagaling uspikar ang bon bisya ni kambat sian us ai karai hakawai kali yang baroni wa youtube ba ya syong yilang hapleng ka TMC ber kongres ber karai ba kam nong yam leng persya kam dai ban sa thali na ka long ka badon kam ba bat nakani ka daw kya rai lang ban ye tali ban halo kan ni benta
he, on his personal capacity, is not like that. The TMC has stayed clean for the post of leader of opposition with the support from lone Congress MLA, Mr. Ronnie Willindo. Yes, I have received. Anything else?
So will you approve the proposal or will you consider?
Yeah, I have
What's
received, I received the letter of letter of submission claiming staking claim to hold the get the position of leader of opposition. But I'm still examining it. I have received it, and I think I will be making a decision very soon. 10% in a house of 60 is there because they have now total of 6 members, which is just exactly 10% of the total strength of the house. So in that criteria, they have fulfilled that criteria. But there are other things. It's not the only, requirement. So I'm still reserving my decision. I will take a call on that very soon. As per the claim of the TMC, as they have the support of one lone Congress MLA in the person of Sri Ronnie Willindo. So they have required that they have requested that the post of LO be given to TMC and the opposition chief will be given to Ronnie Willindo.